This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in a near loop, south loop location at Astoria Tower, corner of 9th and State, looking toward a fabulous view of the skyline to the north, panning around for a view over Grant Park and Lake Michigan. The park is 2 short blocks to the east, and turning around toward the south. I'm in just one of 2 spacious outdoor terraces at a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath penthouse apartment. Let's head inside for a walk around. This is a very special space. It was custom built for the developer of the building when the building was for sale as a condo. You're looking at a wide living dining area, and I'm walking out toward the second of the 2 terraces. It faces south and east. Floor-to-ceiling windows, 11, 12-foot height on the ceilings. Custom ceiling fans, discrete arch, and a kitchen that has a breakfast bar island. You're looking at a Sub-Zero refrigerator, 6-burner Wolf range and oven, range hood. There's a wine chiller, dishwasher, of course, and that 2-level kitchen counter that a lot of people like. What a wow space. There are 2 master suites, powder room off the kitchen. Again, very high style, custom finishes, pedestal sink. Getting back toward where you would have entered the unit, there's a wide closet with the kind of custom organizers that you're going to see throughout the apartment. Heading toward the larger of the 2 masters, laundry room has shelving, nice touch, in addition to full-size washer dryer. And I've just come into the master bedroom. Windows facing south and east. Wide plank flooring continues throughout this apartment. Arch leads towards the bath and the closets. And just look at these closets. One entire closet of shoe racks. When was the last time you saw something like that in a rental apartment? And again, more custom organizers with hanging space, shelving, baskets. Then this incredible bath. All done in black finishes, designer lighting, wide mirror, deep soaking tub with whirlpool jets, and a ceiling mounted shower, waterfall. Separate walk-in shower, translucent black glass framing it, and water jets galore, and a rain shower head. It's a wow bath. Bedrooms are split, so you have terrific separation between them. Again, looking out over Grant Park to the east, headed for that 2nd bedroom. Another custom ceiling fan, windows looking north and east. Custom closet organizers again, a nice sized walk-in closet, and again, very high style finishes on the bath here. A floating vanity, designer fixtures, and a soaking tub. Astoria Tower has a great location, full suite of amenities that includes an indoor pool, fitness center, 2 rooftop decks, resident lounges, business center. Apart from all that and the great location, This is a very, very, very special, one-of-a-kind unit. Belongs high on your must-see list when you want something that no one else has. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.